When Rabbi Yehuda Hanassi set up Seder Nezikin, he decided that the first Masechet would talk about all the problems people have when they fight over money or other things. People can have so many fights. One person might lend his friend money and the friend might not pay him back. Someone else might give a friend a gift and then change his mind and want it back. Someone might also lend his neighbor an animal to work with, but the animal dies while the neighbor is using it. So many arguments, so many fights. When people have these fights, the Torah commands them to go to a group of Torah sages called a Beit Din. This means house of law in Hebrew. A Beit Din is supposed to use the Torah's laws to decide who is right and who is wrong. The fights happen because some people make others lose their money or things. A loss that someone causes another person is called damage, or nezek in Hebrew. So Rabbi Yehuda Hanassi called this Masechet Nezikin. He put it right at the beginning of Seder Nezikin. Sadly, there are so many reasons that people have for fighting. This Masechet became very large, 30 whole parakim. It was very difficult to review all 30 parakim at once, so it was decided to break Masechet Nezikin down into 3 smaller Masechtot. Since the Beit Din used to sit near the city gate, each of these 3 Masechtot is called a gate. In Aramaic, a gate is called a bava. The first is called Bava Kama. This means the first gate in Aramaic. The second was called Bava Metzia. This means the middle gate in Aramaic. The last is called Bava Batra. This means the last gate in Aramaic. You will be studying the second perek of Masechet Bava Metzia. This perek is called Perek Elu Metziot. It talks about what to do when someone loses something and someone else finds it. The name of the perek is taken from its opening phrase, which means, "These are the fines that he is allowed to keep."